Hello ladies and gents, welcome to Mzansi Vibes, your world of entertainment. So today we've got another video where we are featuring a young man by the name of Jason Noah, a 21-year-old Forex trader from Pretoria, Soshanguve in South Africa. These are some of the expensive cars that he owns that I'm about to showcase in this video. He has an M4, an A45 AMG for his mom, and he also has a Toyota Quantum, as you can see here. And this is the inside of the car of the Toyota Quantum, and the inside of the car is beautiful, and that's not something you can expect from a Toyota model. So he was able to build his wealth well after he was kicked out of his home because he got his girlfriend pregnant at the age of only 18 years old. Now the two are a happy couple with blessings on top of blessings. The blessings just keep on piling up. So that's the end of the video. Please let me know which is your favorite car that he has in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video and engage in the comments to help me get more views. With that said, don't forget to share the video and subscribe to Mzansi Vibes, your world of entertainment.